So I'm just getting the scan tool up and running on this. Let's see if it actually picks up any codes. It's the first time running it, so it's doing the usual protocols and connections, and I'll just use this for now anyway. BT scanner tool, it's quite good for little bits and pieces. So if I do diagnose, let's just select the usual ones. These are the three I normally do when I'm on the BMW. Let's just do that. Let's see what happens. Okay. Fuel tank sensor, circuit malfunction. We have got a data bus, transmission control module, no communication, and a fuel tank sensor again. Something I wasn't expecting. I'm not going to delete them, but what I will do is I'll read the whole codes for the whole car and see what comes up. And maybe start the engine and do it. BMW needs the engine started for it, but this one does not apparently. So get back and see what it says.